So this was USD card. This was a counter trend that I was interested to take, which is daily similar price reaction. Whenever price reaches to this level over here, we have that doji rejection, and then price went to downside, doji rejection, then price went to the upside. The same thing happened here. So 1 to 4H time frame, where we have that shift of this structure retest, and then 15 minutes break and retest of structure point over here. Break and retest of this structure point. 13 minutes, we are still in the same direction. Then 15 minutes engulfing candlestick, which was bullish engulfing candlestick over here. The main reason why I come with this trade because of the daily similar price reaction that provided around here. Similar price, the same thing. So the price repeats itself. So that's why I come up with this trade. So let's see another pair, which was USD-CHF. Okay, USD-CHF. This was very trend trading, where we have break, retest of this area, retest actually 15 minutes weekly time frame, we were continuation to the downside. Daily time frame, we have that break and retest of structure point. 4H time frame, we have rejection, rejection, the first rejection, but 1 hour didn't shift the structure, and then we have the second rejection, in which was bullish engulfing, rejecting around EMA, rejecting around psychological area. So 1 hour shift to market structure, break and retest, 15 minutes in the same direction, 15 minutes in the same direction with these genomials, like I think 1 hour we have head and shoulder. Yeah, 1 hour we have these lefty head, right shoulder, you can call it like lefty head, right shoulder, where we have break and retest of the neckline, and 15 minutes in the same direction, you can see. And then 15 that was 30 minutes. 15 minutes we have that strong engulfing candlestick and stop loss just above, like 11 pips. That was all. So this trade went direct to our take profit, which was this area over here. Shows down this area over here, 0.4. Okay, another was GBP-NZD. GBP-NZD, this trade was loss. Daily break retest of this structure point. I was anticipating daily time frame to actually fill this week to the upside. So as you can see, weekly time frame actually was still bullish, and we're retesting around this area. We have doji rejection. So I was anticipating this week the price to create another to continue to create a higher high, but failed. When you come to weekly time frame, daily time frame, we have that doji, very strong pin bar rejection, rejection. 4H time frame shift. So 4H time frame, 4H time frame, we have that in 4H time frame during Monday. I just want price to break, 4H time frame to break and retest this area. The price break, come retest, but didn't provide rejection when the price come to retest this HMA. So no trade that I took. I avoided loss in this trade. Yeah, nothing, 1 hour, nothing. So I avoided this loss. Euro USD, this was also a break-even trade, where daily time frame daily time frame we are actually bullish. As you can see, we have low, high, we break starting higher, higher. So this was just a trend here. What I wanted price to do here was just to break and retest it, to continue moving to the downside. So for each time frame, as you can see, no, during my weekly analysis, I was expecting two scenarios. One scenario is like the price has to come and retest this second area of interest, then continue moving to the downside, or price break and retest. During market open, price went direct, rejected this area, and then with this pin bar rejection, engulfing candlestick, and then he shift structure. So one now we have that break, and retest, and then we provide our entry. 15 minutes were in the same direction, 30 minutes were in the same direction, then 15 minutes will provide us with this engulfing candlestick engulfing candlestick over here. So there are two scenarios, which is this, how I consider this trade as a break even, because 1 hour is like after break of this trade, after break of this structure, we have that high low, we break structure, everything checklist formed. 1 hour we have that strong, we have engulfing candlestick over here. Price went price went direct to, we have this strong engulfing candlestick here. We have this engulfing candlestick over here, and then in 1 hour time frame we have shift of structure. We have this shift of structure in 1 hour time frame. So now we have low, high, low, high, low, and then we break. You see, we break it, and then a little bit come around, retest it again, and then another strong engulfing candlestick. So actually, after break of this structure, retest, after this consecutive 2 candlestick above EMA and 1 hour has already shifted structure, this is when I consider taking this trade. So this trade could have two possibilities. Either win or break even, depending on how quickly I would react to this market at this point over here. At this point over here, which is around this was direct loss, because even the time when these 2 consecutive trade happened was around 3 a.m. in the morning. So at this time maybe I'll be sleeping, so I don't know. So this trade could have been a loss if I could have taken. Why? Because of the time frame that break-even position presented itself. The last is CAD JPY. This was beautiful trade, but didn't provide us with a confirmation in lower time frame. So we have break retest around this area. This was, we can see support, resistance. So price break retest. 4H, we have that doji rejection around this area, but we didn't provide a clear setup on 15 time frame. On 1 hour time frame. Why? 1 hour time frame didn't provide us a retest of this structure point over here. We break with this strong engulfing candlestick, fine, cool, but no retest of here, so no taking this trade. So those are like 7 pairs that I was considering taking this week, and that's how the analysis come from.